Hey everybody. Oh, this is going to be nice. We're back to the barking dog. Gracie. We're back to listening to Gracie bark. Hi, baby. Hi, big girl. You missed me, didn't you, Grace? Huh? You missed us talking out here, didn't you, big girl? Yeah. She's a good girl. So, I bought that sign years ago. So, it is really nice actually out here today. So here we go. We're back to the little building. I got to come in here, clean it out. You can see that I moved about this time last year. Actually, I did. Still got Easter stuff. I got to come in here and sweep the floor. I just basically moved out without taking everything with me. So this is where I'm coming back to. Look at my husband bought. Does anybody need a sickle? I guess it's called a sickle. If anybody would love to come to Casey, Illinois and get this piece of American history, I got a piece of American history for you. And you know why I've got this in here? Hi, Corinne. It's because it was only $6 at the auction. Okay, so it was only $6 at the auction. Now what do we do with it? Because seriously, I got this big sickle now that I get to, or he gets to figure out what to do with it. I don't know if men, actually, I just now saw it for the first time. They are kind of sharp on the ends. And I imagine what they did was somebody would hold on to this side and did something with it. But if anybody's interested in a sickle, I have one for sale. So this will be my view again, out the little window. There's my she shed right over there past the truck. So until the she shed gets done, this is it. So anyway, I get to come out here and sweep and clean it all up. So I totally forgot that. So guys, guess what I'm gonna be doing today? I'll be coming back to the little shop. So Beverly, you want a sickle? Look at that big thing over there. So until I get electricity over, in fact, I got to go and call a couple different electricians today. So at least it's a good day. We have about everything out of the paints in there so I can go live. But we have an auction tonight, 6 p.m. If anybody's interested in that farming sickle, let me know. All right, everybody. I will talk to you later today. Remember, auction tonight at 7 p.m. Hi, Danette. Bye, everyone. Okay, here's my she shed. I'm pretty excited. We're up here in Arthur, Illinois, and it looks like my it gets delivered on Monday, so it's all ready to go. And it looks bigger than what I thought it was going to be. That's a good thing. Let's go inside. Oh, yeah. So, oh, my lofts are big. So the windows are kind of small. I had an extra couple of feet on my loft up here. And I even had him build me a ladder. My husband's like, well, I can put a ladder in there. Let me see if I can walk up this ladder. Oh, yeah. I think it's okay. And then on that loft, We'll put a mattress up. Hey, this one's going to be for storage. That one's going to be for the grandkids to play. That one, we'll put a mattress up on one of them. One of those little tiny house beds. Okay, let me get down without falling. Okay, but otherwise it looks pretty good. So here's my little porch. So this is the place that built it. I don't see any other horses or anything out. Of course, they don't work today, so we won't see anything out here, but we're getting ready to go to the Amish grocery store. Oh, the dogs are out. So, hi Marianne. Hi Melissa. Lori, we're here. It looks pretty good, doesn't it? This grade building must be getting delivered too. So I was worried it wouldn't look as big after it was actually done, but it looks pretty darn good. I'm glad I added the extra 2 feet across. So, it is cold and nasty out here. You can hear the wind blowing. So, alright guys, I'm going to cut it here, and then I'm going to go up to the Amish store, and I'll go live up there. Thank you, Rhonda and everybody. Alright.